Hi guys, my name is Jeffrey. I'm the sales director here at A&M Manufacturing, and we're nearly done completing this Bulldog 50 that will be shipped next week to northern Florida on the west coast, right up the Panhandle. And we are going to give you a quick tour before it ships. It's really an amazing boat. Hopefully we'll be able to go see it in person when it's in the water, give you a nice little tour of that boat as well when it's fully done. In the meantime, let's go around quickly the side here. So this boat is 50 foot long on deck, 53 foot including the engine bracket, and with the engine you're about 55 feet. It's 16 feet wide. It has a COI for 49 passengers plus 2 crew, so with a captain and a mate, and 49 passengers in partially protected waters. We have 3 ladders on this boat, 3 gates, 1 crew gate, and it is powered by twin 250 Yamaha. So standard we rig Suzuki at A&M, but this particular client asked for Yamaha, so we rigged him some Yamahas. The engines are also mounted on some jack plates, so they're able to bring them up and down vertically as well as trim them. No intrusion again below the waterline. This is a fiberglass hull, and those are built on our XL hull. So that gives you about 3 foot of freeboard. And in 2025 right now, we have jumbo hulls as well that provide you 4 feet. So it'll be the same style of hulls, but just with 1 more feet of freeboard. This particular one though is the XL, so it has 3 feet of freeboard. All right, we're gonna get on board right now to the starboard side and show you a little bit the layout. The rail cover that you see, this is Fibertex in a beautiful blue. Floor is anti-skid white gel coat with blue webbing. On the front we have a bollard that's going to be installed on each side. The rail cover that you see right here all the way forward, that's isinglass. It still has its protective plastic sheet on it, so when we ship it, it doesn't get damaged. We have a swim ladder on the bow as well. All right, let's get on board. So coming on this Bulldog 50, at the bow we have a massive open space. This is definitely a party boat. So this would be your dance floor clearly, all open. This is the full sun area. We have bench style seating on the perimeter. In the front, dock box style seating with GL audio speakers. This will be a boarding gate up in the front again. This is isinglass. A nice size swim platform that gives you plenty of room to go in and out of the water when you're at the sandbar. On either side you have entry gates. So if you're pulling up to different style of piers and docks, you're able to always board your client safely. We also have a lot of cup holders on this boat. So all of the outside perimeter has cup holders. On the seats, we have a sea deck finish. It is a great replacement of cushions. If you don't want to deal with cushions, you can have sea deck, or you can have nothing, or just cushions if you want. Right here, a nice little countertop with some more cup holders. A nice little area, U-shape. That'll be a good little conversation pit. I don't know as well if you realize, but this has a really tall hardtop roof. Right now we're underneath it. It feels really, really open. Underneath it, we have our life jacket storage. Like this, your life jackets are gonna stay hidden from the element. They'll be kept very well. GL, really big sound system and speakers. And coming right here in the middle, midship, a massive U-shape bar. This has a wood grain finish, but it's two-tone, has a blue skirt on it. Looks really, really good with the skirt on the back. And some more cup holders, just in case you don't have enough. Fuel tanks on either side, so this has twin 50-gallon fuel tanks. Some more cup holders, massive speakers, and this is your crew gate. So the crew can access the hardtop roof via this really big ladder to go get floats that can be stored up on top. We even installed an anchor at the back here so they can pull up to the sandbar without having to beach the boat. Right here we'll get the head. So this is just a marine head, gravity fed. The black tank is directly underneath it. so the waste will fall right into the tank. And then there is a pump out access so you can pump the tank out at the pump out station. We have some swim ladders right here with a protective gate in front. Another fuel tank in here. More cup holders. And this will be a storage for all your electrical system. There'll be a little shelf right here, and you'll be able to, that particular client I think wanted to have a printer to print some pictures and other little accessories. So you have your battery system, your switches are actually on the outside, and an inverter to have 110 power. And then let's check out the helm. The captain's seat right here with some storage inside, some cup holders as well right here. Yamaha engine controls, your keys, your starting, your jack plate controllers, bilge pump, one on each hull obviously, your engine control with Yamaha, your GL audio head unit, your Garmin GPS, power steering on this boat, and all your switches and accessories right there, super easy to access. And that's it. And then right here we have a VHF radio and some more storage for your captain's belongings. Also some little USB plugs so you can charge your phone and whatnot. Well, this boat will get finished very soon and shipped out actually next week. And hopefully we'll get to see her in water and try her out. You know, I can't wait. This is going to be a really good platform again to carry 49 passengers and have a great time on board. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can send me an email or check us out on our website, ammanufacturing.com. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much and have a good one.